Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now, we've talked a lot about fiberglass pools, how they're very durable and how they're very low maintenance. But what exactly is the life expectancy of a fiberglass pool? Well, today on Pool Talk with Trish, we're going to talk about just how long a fiberglass pool will last. So let's dive in. Okay, so the short answer is a really long time, but there are several things that affect the lifespan of a fiberglass pool. So the first thing you want to consider is the actual quality of the pool shell itself. When it comes down to it, you want to make sure that you're getting your pool from a very reputable manufacturer whose pools are very quality built and go through rigorous inspections before even leaving the manufacturer's plant, and whose pools come with a long structural warranty. Now, a lot of your top fiberglass pool brands will actually come with a lifetime warranty on the structure of the shell, and then also a separate warranty on the gel coat finish on the surface of the pool. So these are two things to look at when you're looking at what brand fiberglass pool you want to get. And the second thing is who's installing your pool. You want to make sure you're working with an experienced pool dealer who knows the ins and outs of installing a fiberglass pool correctly, someone that will make sure the pool is installed with precision, and who does everything else necessary to prevent future problems that could arise with the pool. And of course you want to make sure that that dealer is going to be around if there are any issues that do arise. So make sure you're working with one who's going to be in business and be available to help you in the future. And then the last major factor when it comes to the lifespan of your fiberglass pool is going to be how well maintained the pool is. And that's up to you, the owner of the pool. And while fiberglass pools are very easy to maintain, you do want to make sure you're doing things like making sure the chemicals are all regularly balanced and making sure that your pump is running at the necessary intervals. You want to make sure that you're keeping the surface nice and clean, which again is very easy to do being that it's a completely non-porous surface. And you want to make sure you aren't using any harsh chemicals or cleaners that aren't appropriate for use on fiberglass pools. You want to make sure that you maintain the proper water level in the pool and that, like we discussed in my previous video, you never drain your pool. So with all these things considered, fiberglass pools are designed to last a very long time, like I said, 50 or more years easily. In fact, the structure itself could pretty much last indefinitely. And while you'll never have to acid wash or even resurface the plaster like you would on a concrete gunite pool every, say, 10 years, you may need to do touch-up or resurface the gel coat finish maybe every 20 or 30 years, which is significantly less cost than replastering a gunite pool, and obviously not something you have to do regularly or very often with a fiberglass pool. So a fiberglass pool will actually outlast most any other type of pool out there. If you have any questions at all, just reach out. You can always call or text 210-834-7054. I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions. I look forward to seeing you soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming.